It's Joe bringing it to you again. Hey, today I'm gonna work on this door. See how this door, got a lanai door here, and it's rubbing up there at the top. I open the door here, look at this up here. Now watch, I'm gonna try to close the door. It's not closing, is it? Look at that. And I could slam that as hard as possible and it's probably not going to close unless I take it and push over on it like that and get it. And see here, it's rubbed off all the paint on here, all the way along here. And then you look at the door jamb up here at the top, it's rubbed all the paint off, hasn't it? Look down here. All this from that. And you first just have to check things out, and it looks like this hinge is off kilter. See, it should be over tight, and if I close the door here, walk around it, you see this big gap behind here? That's supposed to be pulled over, and if I can pull that over, see how big the gap is? Right here, the door is almost closed. Let me get it and close it over there like that. See how wide this gap is? You should never have it as wide as that. See, there's the gap there. This is the type of gap you should have next to the hinges, about like that. See how it increases here? It actually is bigger right there. I might have to check that hinge too. See the big crack here, and then it gets bigger up here. You can also tell up at the top. See the top right there? You want that line about the same all the way across. And over here, see how big it is? That's because this door has to be raised up. When you push it over, it's gonna raise up this edge, okay? So my first bit of business is I've got to get my tools out and get all preset with this. And I think I'm gonna jack the door up. I can put something on the bottom of the door, you know, push it up and then put like my cat's paw, my nail puller underneath there to kind of push on that after I loosen up this hinge. See if I can get it over there. And then I've got to look at these screws. These screws could be stripped, or I'll have to take them out, put them back in, and my guess is it's not going to be enough. That's my guess, is I may have to take this hinge out and then pre-drill a hole up here and one down there, drive some long screws in there, take the door jamb right here and suck it over, because that's probably loosened up. Push that over, then put the hinge back, put these screws back in. If these screws are stripped, you know, maybe get some longer screws, black screws, and put them in there. I'm not sure what the deal is here. It looks like somebody tried to fix this once upon a time. They didn't do a very good job, did they? They sure didn't. That's why they called Joe over here, because they know I can get it fixed.